in this video, we are going to build AI apps using Anakin AI. Okay, so now let's get started. Firstly, just click Launch App. Okay, so I'm going to log in using my Gmail account, so just click Continue with Google. Just click Continue. As you guys can see, I got redirected to my dashboard. App. You will need to name the app. In this case, I'm going to name it AI Text to Speech Generator. Next, I'm going to change the app icon. As you guys can see, there are many options. I'm going to select this icon. And I'm also going to change the background color. And let's click OK. Okay, so next you will need to select the type. There are three options: quick apps, chatbot, and workflow. I'm going to select workflow. So just click this and just click continue. Okay, so now we are going to modify this workflow. So I'm going to click add step and I'm going to click text to speech. Okay, so right here, just click input. You might be wondering why. Let me explain the logic. So the user is going to input the text, then the data is going to be stored in this variable. The name of the variable is input, and AI is going to automatically convert that into speech. Okay, so now you are going to select the audio quality. There are two options, TTS and TTS HD. I'm going to select the first options. And if you want to enable the user to customize the audio quality, make sure that you check this box, alright? Okay, so now you will also need to select the voice options. There are many options like Alloy, Echo, Fable. I'm going to select the first one, alright? And when the user download the file, there are like many different formats, guys, like MP3, Opus. I'm going to select MP3, alright? Because that's the most common file format for audio. And for the speed, I'm going to set it to be 1 because that's the normal speed. Okay, so now we are going to test this app. We're going to make sure that this app is working. So just click test and I'm going to type in like a random sentence. Hi, my name is Chris and I work as a data scientist for biotech company. Okay, so that's the sentence. And now we are going to convert this sentence into audio file. Okay, so just click generate. So just wait, guys. The process might take a couple seconds. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, here we go. So just click on this link and you will be redirected to this page.
My name is Chris and I work as a data scientist for biotech company.
Very cool, right? So if you want to download this MP3 file, it is very easy. Just click on these three dots and just click download. So that's how you do it. Okay, very cool. So now we are going to click info and you can add descriptions. You can select the language that you want to use. You can select the category. I'm going to select model. You can add introductions. You can also add video introductions to here. Alright, so now I'm going to click Save to Workspace. Okay, so now just click on your workspace. As you guys can see, now we have two applications. So the first one is AI Text to Image Generator. This is the applications that we created in the previous video, and the second one is AI Text to Speech Generator. This is the applications that we just created. Alright, so now we are going to publish this AI app. So just click on these three dots and just click manage. Alright, and just click publish and just click publish. Okay, so you can feel free to add the descriptions, you can select the language and just click publish now. Okay, so just wait guys. Okay, here we go. The app has been published successfully. So you can share your app on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Reddit. Okay, so just copy the link. Alright, and I'm going to open it on the other tab. So the AI app is going to look like this. Very cool, right? Look at this. So the user will be able to input the sentence here, and this AI tool is going to convert that sentence into MP3 file or audio file. Very cool. And the user can also customize the audio quality. There are two options. The first one is TTS and the second one is TTS HD. Alright. Okay guys, so we have just built AI text-to-speech generator using Anakin AI. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.